Today we're showing you a Deere 310SG backhoe. It's a four-wheel drive backhoe with just over 1,800 hours on it. It's a nice machine yet. We traded this unit in out of Kentucky. A little bit of a crack here in the front hood. Again, it is a four-wheel drive unit. We don't do much with backhoes. We primarily do tractors, so this is a bit of a foreign machine for us. Show you everything I know about the machine. It's a solid, good running machine. Don't know of any issues with it. Tires are good on it. Boom's in good shape. Fellow that traded did say he had just replaced all the oil with John Deere fluids. Had put grease in all the fittings. Said everything takes grease. You're basically looking at this tractor just the way, backhoe just the way it came in. Hose the tires off a little bit, got the mud off the tires, and other than that, you're looking at it just the way it came in. Pretty nice shape yet. Forward reverse up here in the dash. Controls for the backhoe. Show you the hours here. 1851.5 are the current hours on it. It does look like it sat in the sun somewhat. It's faded on it. Plastic's faded on it a little bit, but overall it's a good solid machine yet. We will sell as it is, where it is, just the way it sits here. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please feel free to contact us.